Good morning everyone. Yesterday we have discussed about exercise 2.1 in which we have finds, factors and multiples. We have discussed about factors and multiples. Today our topic is divisibility rule, in which we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. It means if we have any number, let an example, if we have 243, if we have 2431, we have 125. If we choose any number, so by which table it is divisible, so for that we will learn about the divisibility rule. So first rule of 2. Rule of 2. Any number that is divisible by 2 if unit place digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We can say if a number is even number, then it is a divisible by 2. If any number is even number, then it is divisible by 2. Yes or no? So for that even number, how we can specify? Even number कैसे confirm करेंगे? If unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If example like as 216, so the unit place digit of 216 is 6. Yes or no? 216 का unit place digit क्या है? 6, and 6 is a even number. It means 216 is a even number. So 216 is divisible by 2. What is the meaning of divisible? It means if we divide 216 by 2, it is a completely divisible. There is no remainder. It is a completely divisible. So if we choose any number like as 496, it is divisible by 2 or not? How can we check? How can we test? The unit place digit of 496 is 6. It means it is divisible by 2. Let's take another example. 243. We know that 3 is a odd number. It means it is not divisible by 2. So therefore 243 is not divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility rule of 2. I hope so you will understand. Now divisibility rule of 3. Rule of 3. Rule of 3. How can we test any number that is divisible by 3 or not? Let's see. If sum of digit is divisible by 3, then that number is also divisible by 3. Example. Let's take an example. 4371. 4371. We have to test 4371. It means 4371 is divisible by 3 or not. So we have to find the sum of the digit. Sum of digit. Firstly we have to find sum of digit. 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1. And we know that 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. And we know that 15 is divisible by 3 because we know that 3 5s are 15. 15 is divisible by 3. That why 4371 is also divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3, so that 4371 is also divisible by 3. Let's take another example for divisibility rule of 3. 60902. 60902. How we have to solve, how we have to test the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of digit 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 2. We have 6 plus 0 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 0 15, and 15 plus 2 17. We know that 17 is not completely divisible by 2. 17 is not completely divisible by 3. 17 is not divisible by 3. It means we know that 3 की टेबल में 17 नहीं आता. Yes or no? If we read table of 3, we know that 17 is not coming. So we can say 17 is not divisible by 3, so that given number 60902 is also not divisible by 3. For the divisibility of 3, we have to find sum of digit, then check 17 with sum of digit is divisible by 3 or not. If that is divisible, then number is also divisible. If that is not divisible, then number is also not divisible by 3. Then divisibility rule of 4. Rule of 4. For that, if last 2 digit of any number is divisible by 4, then number is also divisible by 4. Let's take example. एक्सरसाइज 2.2 के सेकंड पार्ट का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चूज कर रहे हैं. 4397. We have a number 4397. Yes or no? Yes. The last 2 digits are 9 and 7. Complete number, it become 97. So last 2 digit of number form 97. Last 2 digit of 4397 क्या नंबर फॉर्म कर रही है? 97. सो कंप्लीट नंबर चेक करने की बजाय 97 को चेक करेंगे कि 97 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं है. सो दैट्स वाई 97 डिवाइड बाई 4. 4 2 जा 8, 9 minus 8 1, 7, 4 4 जा 16 1. It is not completely divisible because here remainder is 1. So it is not completely divisible. So we have to write 97 is not divisible by 4. So given number 4397 is also not divisible by 4. This is the rule of 4. Now rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. You have learned about divisibility rule of 5 in previous classes. Now again recall it. Rule of 5. If unit place digit of any number is either 0 or 5, so then that number is divisible by 5. Exercise question. Question number 3, first part. 48980. It is divisible by 5 or not? How we can check? First method, 48980 divided by 5, if it's completely divisible, here is no remainder, it means that number is divisible by 5, but it take too much time, so we will test of this number by rules of 5 is, if unit place digit of 48980 is 0, it means unit place is 0 or either 5, then number is divisible by 5. So we have to write unit place digit of 4890 is 0, so 48980 is divisible by 5. So much easy question. I hope you will be understand. 48980 because unit place digit क्या है 0, unit place digit 0 आ जाए it means that number is divisible by 5. confirm है 0 आ जाए 2 से भी divisible है and also 5 से भी divisible है, because 0 2 के लिए रूल के लिए भी satisfy हो रहा है, 5 के लिए भी satisfy हो रहा है. Then divisibility rule of 6. Rule of 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is also divisible by 6. For check to any number is divisible by 6 or not, we have to verify the rule of 2 and rule of 3. Let's take an example of your exercise question. Question number 5, A part is a 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. Firstly, rule of 2. Yeah, we can say divisibility of 2. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. The rule of 2 is unit place digit is either even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and here is 3. 3 is odd number. It means divisibility by 2 not. For 3, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. For that sum of digit. Sum of digit. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. We know that 10 is not divisible by 3. It means 3 से भी क्या आ रहा है not, और 2 के लिए भी not. 2 से भी divisible भी नहीं है, 3 से भी divisible नहीं है, but for 6 it must be divisible by both number 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 4, 3 is not divisible by 6. Let's take another example for rule of 6. Exercise question है आपके 36663. Firstly, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. The rule of 2 is a given number is even number. So for even number, unit place digit will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here is 3. So divisibility by 2 is not. By 3, sum of digit. 3 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3. We get 24. And we know that 24 is divisible by 3. So by 3, yes. By 2, it is not divisible. By 3, it is divisible. So we conclude by 6, it is not divisible, because For divisibility of 6, it is compulsory to divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 both number. But here it is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So there is a contradiction. So we conclude by 6 it is not divisible. Rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Important है, ध्यान से देखना. Divisibility by 7. Divisibility by 7. Let's take an example. 343 and 3087. Exercise question आपके 343 and 3087. Divisibility by 7. What we have to do? We have to choose last number firstly. We have to choose last number and the remaining number also. We have to divide into two parts, last number and remaining part. Last number and the remaining part. Then 34 minus करना है twice of unit place digit. Twice of unit place डिजिट और यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है 3. तो 34 में से ट्वाइस का मीन्स डबल ऑफ यूनिट प्लेस. यूनिट प्लेस क्या आपका 3. 34 minus 6 it is 28 and we know that 28 is divisible by 7 because 7 4 ja 28. So 28 is divisible by 7. It means 343 is also divisible by 7. We have to check this number. 308 minus 7 2 ja because twice of this number 308 minus 14 we get 294. 8 minus 4 4, 10 minus 1 9, 2 minus 0 2. 294 check करेंगे. 294 by 7 7 4 ja 28 1 4 7 2 ja 14. It is a completely divisible. It means 294 is divisible by 7, so that 3087 is also divisible by 7. So here are the rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. On this basis of these rules, exercise questions are 1 to 6. You can try of exercise 2.2